Hi, good morning. So this is how to register or to register for our if you want to take or to undergo or get a volunteer work to practice your skills to get experience as a virtual assistant. So here we go. Okay, so we have to go. Okay, actually, it's from the first website is a volunteer.com, but then again, they migrated into the new website link, which is ideal.org. Okay, so if you can be able to see, that is ideal.org. Okay, so paano mag-apply no as a volunteer? Okay, so dito muna tayo. We have to sign up using or log in using um, our Google account. So, ayan, let's say ito yung gagamitin ko. Ayan, so next. Okay, so here we go. Right, so this is the volunteer match if you want to go ahead and apply for a volunteer work. Okay, so let's say I am a admin virtual assistant or I want to gain an admin related work. So I go ahead, research or volunteer opportunities. But then again, you can find also uh, other jobs here, but if you don't have a prior experience related to the industry, okay, you can go ahead, render internship, maybe. Okay, so pwedeng mag-internship, no? So pwede dyan. But then again, on-site lahat. So you have to, what do we call, change this, okay, into remote, right? Okay, so done with that. Okay, so internship function. So you have to filter lang no yung talagang ano mo, niche mo. Ayan. So admin ba? Okay, if you want to go ahead when it comes to marketing, okay, go ahead. Click baka nandito yung SMM. Okay, so hanapin pa natin yung iba baka nandito pa no. Ayan, social media, no? So pwede din social media. Ayan, what else? Other skills that you have, okay, you can search it. Okay, cost areas. Okay, so you can okay, leave it open. So might be organization. Okay, non-profit. So might be all right. So all available here is non-profit siya, no? So ayan, internship payment. Okay, so um so hourly. So pwede hourly para at least pwede kayong makapag part-time. Okay, so let's say kung ano yung mga hourly dito. Center of Online Safety, Liberty, okay, Strategy Communication, Outreach Lead. Okay, so parang mag-outreach ka kasi nito. Marketing and Fundraising Internship. Okay, so might be it's either ano ka dito, social media or ad specialist, no? So depende. You have to check then kung ano yung details no, ng opportunity just like this. You have to check it out. Yan, dito, yan, descriptive, position overview, case, for reason, internal play a vital hands-on role in supporting an outreach, engagement, and branding efforts. This functional position is ideal for student or recent graduates to gain hands-on experience. Okay, basically, dito na banda kasi is, ano, tawag dito, they are expecting that you are fresh grad. Okay, so but for the safe one, okay, so let's go ahead dito na lang tayo sa volunteer. Okay, so the volunteer opportunity, if you believe you are not a freshman, so we can go ahead research here no yung mga other opportunities instead of on-site and hybrid. Okay, we can go ahead click the remote and filter it out. So, next is areas. Pwede din, ikaw, no, depende sa ano mo, expertise or areas of, ang tawag dito, yung niche ninyo. Okay, so let's go ahead find. So, if you have idea about the financial literacy or personal finance, okay, go ahead. Pwede yan. Okay, so what else? Okay, so, sige. Let's find something like, ito na, volunteering. Okay, so what else? Financial entrepreneurship, disaster, okay, animals agriculture. Okay, so wala dito yung ano. Let's find, ano lang, ayan, entrepreneurship siguro, pwede yan. So, ayan, internal relation, microfinance, so research and science, science and technology, six also. But okay, so good. So good for you. Alright, so okay. So let's leave it blank na lang. Okay, show only done in a day. Sources, okay, it's up to this. Skills, so you have to yeah, click if you have the skills about the finance, admin, okay. So what else? Um what else that you want to get to provide? Okay, so marketing. Okay, so let's check marketing. What else? Social media. Okay, so I think that's all. Okay, so yeah, if you know how to do website design, so go ahead, click here. And we're done with that. Language listing English only. Okay, so we can just click English. And then, all right, so I think that's all. Okay, we can click here whatever the niche you have or you're looking for. Okay, so linking page, content creator, remote, unpaid, your preferred. Okay, so they preferred Europe. Okay, so remote, social media, ayan. So pwede ito, no? So you have to look for it and click, no? So you can see, alright, sino yung CEO nila, ayan. So ano yung kailangan nila, available time, weekdays, daytime, evening, okay, so weekends, daytime, and evening din. Okay, so flexible siya. So it's up to you kung ano oras ka, no? Ayan, so depende kung ano yung agreement nakalagay sa agreement. Okay, so kailangan nila ng 20. Ayan, cost areas, medias, ayan, ito yung detail. Okay, training provided daw, language and cultural support available, academic credit available. So, pwede dito, ano pala, oh, pwede dito parang, ano siya, if you are student, then pwede mo siyang consider, like for example, you are looking for a tawag dito, internship or OJT, so pwede dito pala sa kanila, okay? So, ayan. So, participation requirements, attend, orientation, ayan, age you have, okay, ano naman, understandable naman siya. Okay, so, ayan. So, meron siyang, ano, marami kang ma-benefit if you want to go ahead, take your internship with them. Okay, so, ayan. So, posibleng ma-assume kanila, no? Okay, so ayan, social media creation, etc. Ayan, so go ahead and render no yung inyong internship. Okay, so let's go back here. Right, so recruiter, if you are comfortable talking with the phone and getting or recruiting someone, or you are you have to act as an HR, no, so you can click it here. Okay, so what else? Volunteer apostolic. Okay, so hindi dito. Alright, volunteers direct bookkeeping. If you have knowledge in bookkeeping, so go ahead. You can click it here, and then you can see here the what we call this, your scope of work. Okay, so ayan, so we're looking for individuals who has non-profit bookkeeping experience, especially in fund desk. Our office admin or bookkeeper could use some assistance in learning and going through files. Okay, so ayan. So basically, parang support ka na lang din sa office or admin nila, no? So next is email marketing coordinator. You are going to handle not yung email nila. Okay, so next, just click here, no, maraming ano available na tawag dito, available na resources or tawag dito, opportunities for you to um to apply if you want to go ahead gain an experience no as a VA, depende sa niche mo ninyo. Okay, so I hope it helps and good luck, no. So meron siyang contract. Ayan, meron siyang contract. It's up to you if you want to go ahead yeah, for the sake of gaining experience, no, ikaw yung bahalang mag uh, Ikaw yung bahalang mag-decide kung ilang months, ilang hours ka magtatrabaho a day. Okay, so ano yung availability mo? So it's up to you. Like, for example, flexible naman. Okay, may certain task ka lang na gagawin yan within the week, within the month. Ayan, so may reporting din yan, no, as if you are working really, no, sa company nila. But then again, you are not paid lang. Okay, so you will gain experience and of course, they will be giving a certificate, no, okay, which is more credible, right? Because they are a registered non-profit organization. So, yeah, I hope it helps. Okay, so good luck no sa inyong job search and have a great day.